This is a short descriptive video about a bit of a quirky flip clock, but it's a flip clock nonetheless. It has Japanese origins. I have not found any other evidence that it was sold elsewhere but in Japan. This is a Toshiba Clotty. Those of you familiar with your flip clocks will see that this the clock itself is not by Toshiba. It's a rhythm clockwork sold under many different brand names in the US, sold under Kentech, for example, amongst others. The motor is very reliable, been checked, lubricated and in very good condition. It runs on 100 to 120 volts, so I could have converted it to European spec. I did that the last time I had one of these, which was a green one, not an orange one. I decided to leave this one original so it can be used in the US. As you can probably tell, this is a shade for a lamp, so it has a light. You can adjust this, so this one isn't very bright. You can go up to, I think it's 60 watts or 100 watts. 100 watts, I think it is. That's what the label says anyway. So yeah, it's a flip alarm clock, and it has been completely taken apart, all the wiring taken out, all the wiring has been replaced. New light, new resistor, new cable, new plug, everything was polished, cleaned where necessary. In any case, like the casing itself is slightly matte finished originally, so I didn't polish that because that would make it shiny. That's not how it's supposed to be. I just cleaned it. The shade is different. I did polish that. That looks really nice and shiny, and looks really nice combined with the clock itself. You can actually hang it up on the wall if you wanted to, and being a Japanese clock, it has a switch on the bottom to switch between 50 and 60 Hertz, so you could actually use it in Europe with a simple converter for the voltage. Just set it to 50 Hertz, use a voltage converter and plug it in and you're ready to go. This is the switch for the light, here's the switch for the alarm, and there you go. Not extremely loud, but loud enough to wake you up, I would say. This clock was available in 3 different colors as far as I know. White, green and this orange one. And there are 2 different versions of this one, of the Toshiba Clotty. The other one is more of a metal metal clock in that sense. It's made out of metal. The lampshade is made out of metal. The lamp post, let's call it that, made out of metal, and the clock I'm not 100% sure. I'm thinking that one is older, also looking at the design, but I'm not 100% sure. I prefer this one, to be completely honest. More of a plastic fantastic kind of guy. So yeah, I think that's about it for this clock. Any questions, let me know. It will of course be for sale in my Etsy shop, and thank you for watching.